My name is Jason Jameson. I am the general manager here at Fairfield Inn & Suites by Marriott and Surfari Joe's Waterpark. We're a great place for staycations. Come here, stay at the hotel, walk right next door to Surfari Joe's. It's a great family environment. So we have some standard rooms as well as some suites. We have complimentary breakfast for everybody. We do have a bar inside of the hotel. Surfari Joe's Waterpark also has the Watering Hole, which is a restaurant and a bar. Burgers, pizzas, macaroni bites, and a variety of kid-focused food, as well as stuff to satisfy the adults. As well as the arcade, machines and games, which you have tickets and bring down for prizes. 2 slides, the lazy river, a pool just to swim in, as well as an activity pool for all the kids. It's a kind of an animal zoo theme. We do have 4,000 square feet of meeting space. Each room is 2,000 square feet. We also have birthday packages and birthday rooms. We'll give out group rates. We do have a business center with 2 computers, printer, fax machine. Guests have 24-hour access to our fitness center. When you stay at the hotel, you can actually book an experience package to get the hotel room and the Surfari Joe Waterpark passes included with everything. Thanks for coming and checking us out. We'd love to have you and your family here to have a great staycation.